When you go about writing a new post for Buzz, there are two ways you can go about writing it. Firstly, we can go into Posts, Add New, and once this is loaded, we can start writing our post directly into the editor here. However, for a lot of you, I know you won't want to write directly into the Buzz editor as you might not have internet connection wherever you are, or you might just prefer writing somewhere else. So the other way to write a post is to write it in a text editor and then take it and copy and paste it into Buzz. So you might think that copying and pasting content into Buzz is quite an easy thing. But actually there's one step you have to take before you paste it in to make sure there are no problems with your text. And I'm going to show you how you do that now. So here we have an article that I'm going to use. It's some interesting facts about Bournemouth, quite a light kind of listicle article. So I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to select it using Command A, and I'm going to copy it using Command C. And I'm going to go back to my post in Buzz. So if I just paste this text straight into my editor now, we should be able to see it doesn't quite look right. Okay, as I've copied and pasted it in, that text has come across pretty large. And if I look in my formatting drop down here, I can see all of this text is formatted as a heading, which is not what we want. We want it just to come over as plain text. So if I go into my text editor now, I can see the code. I can see in here, you might not understand this, but you're going to trust me here. There's lots of code in here we don't want. Okay, we want this text to have no code applied to it. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete all of that text. And I'm going to show you the correct way to paste in your text. So all I'm going to do this time before I paste my text in is I'm going to click on this little clipboard icon here. If I put my mouse over it, you can see it says paste as text. So some of you might not be able to see that button straight away. If you can't see that button, you need to click on this button here, toolbar toggle. Okay, so that reveals this second row of formatting options. Okay, so this time before I paste, I'm going to click on this button. If it's the first time you've clicked on this button, you might get a little message appearing saying you are now pasting in plain text mode. Okay, if you've got that message, just clear it for me and then you can paste your text in. Okay, so what this gives us is plain text, unformatted text. And again, now if I look in my text editor over here, no code applied to this, no unwanted code. It's totally unformatted. So all of our formatting we want to do using the buttons available in the visual editor. Okay, so if you follow that process when it comes to pasting text into Buzz, you'll have no problems when it comes to formatting it.